Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and feeling your absolute best. If you've ever tried to lose weight, build muscle, or just eat healthier, you've probably heard of counting calories and counting macros. But what's the difference? And more importantly, which one is better for you? Let's break it down. Counting calories is simple. You track how many calories you eat daily and aim for a specific goal. If you eat fewer calories than you burn, you lose weight. If you eat more, you gain weight. Here are the pros. Counting calories is easy to understand and follow. It also works well for weight loss and no need to worry about specific food groups. Now let's talk about the cons. Counting calories doesn't focus on nutrition. A 500-calorie donut is treated the same as 500 calories of chicken and veggies. It can also lead to nutrient deficiencies if you're only focused on hitting a number. On the other hand, macros or macronutrients include protein, carbs, and fats. Instead of just tracking total calories, you balance your intake of each. Here are the pros. It ensures you get to the right nutrients, not just the right calories. It also helps with muscle gain, fat loss, and better energy levels. Lastly, it encourages a more balanced diet with quality foods. Now for the cons. Counting macros can be more complicated. You need to track 3 things instead of 1. It also requires meal planning and sometimes food weighing. So, which one is better? For weight loss, counting calories works, but counting macros can make sure you're losing fat and keeping muscle. For muscle gain, counting macros is the clear winner. Protein intake matters when building lean muscle. For overall health, macros help ensure you're getting the right nutrients, making it a better long-term approach. The bottom line is, if you want quick results, counting calories is fine. But if you want sustainable, healthy progress, counting macros is worth the effort. Do you count calories or track macros? Which approach has worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Health Options 101. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next video.